Hi, my name is Kenzie, and I'm located in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. I work for HelloFresh Canada Inc., a meal kit delivery service. Before I started using Docparser, we had a lot of manual work that was unnecessary for scraping invoices for information and scraping purchase orders for data. Docparser allows a lot of manual tasks to be run automatically in the background. It was easy to set up, and they allow us to pull data from purchase orders and invoices without having to manually go in and look. So we just have our information automatically processed. Docparser's core invoice or PDF parsing capabilities is what we use it the most for. It's also very nice that it has integrations with other apps such as Google Drive. So files can come in to a Drive folder and automatically get imported into Docparser. So it's automated all the way along. By taking care of the manual grunt work that usually would be a part of the daily job, it has allowed me to focus on other tasks that are more creative or allow for more productive input overall because we're no longer spending time on those manual tasks. I recommend Docparser to other businesses because it has allowed me to focus on what really drives impact on the bottom line for my business.